Hello everyone, I am here in Nasu in Tochigi, Japan at this random suspension bridge because I fell asleep on the bus and I missed my stop by about an hour and a half. But hey, this is a nice view. I am here in the mountains because I am in search of one of Japan's rarest hot springs, a tattoo-friendly one. For those that don't know, Japan and tattoos don't really mesh well. Japan has a long history of tattooing criminals to mark them as inmates, but then the criminals embraced the tattoos and it became part of the culture. If you were in the Yakuza, you would get a full body tattoo basically to mark yourself as part of the organization and show the sacrifices you're willing to make for the organization. That's basically the gist of it. And because of this tradition, Japan has quite the stigma, even today, involving tattoos. And tattoos aren't allowed in a lot of very traditional places like onsen, like the hot spring that have been around for hundreds of years. It's estimated only about 30% of hot springs here in Japan are tattoo friendly, and it's mostly in big cities. So finding one way up here in the mountains of Nasu, which is a pretty small town area in Tochigi, is pretty surprising, and I'm really excited to give it a go. But before we can do that, I have to walk about an hour in the opposite direction because I missed my stop. So join me for the ride. So I'm finally at the Mikaeri Sato Onsen here in Nasu Shiobara. I was supposed to be here probably 2 hours ago, but I kept missing trains and getting off the wrong stop, but it's part of the adventure, right? Let's go inside and see if it's tattoo friendly, hopefully. あ、こんばんは。700円になります。700。タトゥー大丈夫ですか？おー、よかった。よかった。ありがとうございます。はい、じゃあこちら券の方ね。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。That is a big resounding yes. So for obvious reasons, there was no filming in the bath. I don't think 20 other men would appreciate me vlogging in there. But I'd say today was a success. This is a tattoo-friendly onsen. So I will drop the links in the description. If you find yourself in Tochigi and you have tattoos, this is one of the few around here that is happy to have you. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. At the hot spring, I missed the last bus, and it would have been a 3-hour walk to get to the station to get home, and I wouldn't have been able to make the last train home to Utsunomiya. So I would have been stuck in Nasu with no hotel, no accommodations or anything. And as I was at the hot spring trying to figure out what to do, all the taxis were busy. This random guy whose name is Shuhei offered to drive me to the station with his friend Maiko. So thank you, Shuhei and Maiko, for saving me. Okay, bye.